Good morning. It's a beautiful Wednesday. Wait, it's Friday. I start filming and I black out. I just go on autopilot. It's a beautiful Friday. I woke up extra early this morning just so I could shower and I could film before going to work. I wanted to show you my apartment in more detail. I did an apartment video before, but I was still kind of moving in at the time, so I was unloading. And I'm gonna show the final version with everything, almost everything, unpacked. Just put a quick work outfit on, but I will also say that my monthly rent is about, I think, $900 a month, and I pay water, electricity, gas, all separately. I have separate companies that I pay for those bills. Water's about $35, and that comes every 2 months. Gas was pretty low for me this month because it's summer. I'm not really like showering with hot water. Gas was only $7 for me this month, and the most expensive utility was electricity, of course. So electricity for me this month was 4,000 yen, which is about $32, I think. I cleaned up just for this video, by the way. So this is my bedroom. It's all one room, but I call this my bedroom. I have actually 2 mattresses under here because when I have friends come over, I take one out and they can sleep on it. Yeah, I just store them all here. So this is my double mattress bed, and under the bed I just keep some like spare blankets, and I also have this foam mattress that I still keep just because this mattress is a little bit hard. So when my guests come, I'll use this mattress and then put the foam on top. So all that is stored here. And then I also have some blankets stored here. That's my laundry bag. That's my used clothes hamper. This is where I keep my clothes, of course. This is the closet. So all my work clothes are kind of here. And then winter jackets are stored away up there. Again, clothes. This is more like fall, winter clothes. Yeah, that's my closet. This apartment doesn't have a lot of extra space like closet areas, etc. So I have to be kind of resourceful where I put things and store things. That's my window area outside. I'm gonna keep it closed just for privacy purposes. You can just open the window and go right out to the balcony. That's my bear. Air conditioner that I've been abusing this summer. This is a 2-box pile that still has not gotten deconstructed yet because it's non-essentials and I just haven't unloaded them fully yet, so I just keep them in this sad corner. Will they get unpacked? I don't know. Will they ever be released? I don't know. Stay tuned. This is my couch. It's not on the floor, it has tiny legs. To be honest, I don't really use the couch that much because I usually just end up sitting on my bed or I'm editing or watching something. It holds my clothes when I'm trying on outfits and I just throw them there. That's mainly what I use my couch for. And I have a projector here. This is where I project movies sometimes. So I set up my projector here, and I just point it toward the wall. And even though it's daytime, I can close this screen that leads to my bedroom, and I just turn off the lights, and you can see the projector totally fine. Yoga mat for exercise, and then I hang my bags here, but this is not a bag holder. Oh my gosh. This is actually a circulation vent. There's a filter so like bugs can't really get in, but it's just to circulate the room so that especially if it's stuffy or humid, it just keeps air going through. Over here, I have my little desk. I have a monitor, computer. I spend a lot of time here just editing or watching stuff. And then I'll just eat my dinner here as well. When somebody rings at the bottom of the building, they'll show up on the camera here, so usually delivery people, and then I just let them in. This is for hot water. This is just a hot water meter. I never used this. I just turned the hot water on and that was it. Next to my couch, I have my mini fridge. I actually don't use my fridge super often, so this size is perfect for me. And my vacuum cleaner, the fridge is plugged into the wall, which there's an outlet all the way up here, which is kind of nice, I guess. I do have another window here. And my kitchen. So there's not a lot of counter space, but it's a nice small little kitchen area and it has everything that I need. 2 stove tops and then a little pull-out oven area. And this is just utensils, and then there's space to store stuff here and here. There's also a cabinet here where I just store some spices and random stuff. And then, yeah, a vent. This is the corner I always hit my head on because my height is about here. So when I lean in, I always hit this. Kitchen's here from the kitchen. This is my bathroom. There's not a lot of counter space, so I tried to organize it as best as I could. There's nothing behind the mirror, but there is a cabinet down here. And I just keep spare stuff like my face masks. Yeah, just random stuff. So I actually keep my suitcases here as well. This is where the washing machine is supposed to go, but I just can't commit to buying a washing machine. So I'm just using that as a luggage holding space for now. I know it's not very aesthetic. My luggages are bright green. I might move them under my bed eventually if I can just clean out the space. For now, I'm keeping it there. This is the mirror. I'm looking at the mirror right now. This is what the mirror sees every day before work. Me, 1,000-yard stare. My toilet area. This is flush, large flush, small flush. There's a bidet. This, I control the shower vent. So when I shower, the vent turns on just to prevent mold. And turn it off. And this is my shower area. Yep. Bathtub and shower area with full-length mirror. Then that leads us to the entrance. There's a door here for some reason, so I can close it off like that. But I never use this door. I always just keep it open. Bathroom. There's a shoe closet here. Of course, I put shoes and other stuff. And that's my entrance. This is where I just keep my shoes and my slippers. I have this Kingdom Hearts poster that I keep meaning to hang up. So today's the day. Actually, I bought this for myself on my birthday. I think I'm gonna hang it above my desk here. Ta-da! Yeah, overall, I really like this apartment more than my other apartment. I like that it's smaller. I like that it's more compact and cozy. It just makes it so much easier to clean and manage, especially as someone living alone. There's no need for a lot of extra space. I just don't end up using it. The only thing I miss about my old apartment was that it had 2 bedrooms, so when I had guests stay over, it was just kind of nice, like they had their own room. Yeah, I like having a view. The only complaint that I have is, this is a personal problem, but I'm 5'6", 167 centimeters, so this is just kind of more all of Japan in general, but for some like counters and then this circulation vent, it's at my head level. So when I'm cooking, I kind of have to bend over a little bit, and then when I'm cooking and I lean in, I always hit my head here. In general, that's just Japan. It's not specific to this apartment. Yeah, I feel like Godzilla here sometimes. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.